Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin bouncing. The Fed raised the rates 75 basis points. This is going to make it cost more. Banks borrow money from the Fed at a higher rate, and obviously it gets passed down to the consumer. I want you to focus on the weekly chart. The 200 simple at the end of the day is strong overhead resistance. If the bulls can break above this and retest or just close above the 200 simple, bullish idea. This would be bullish for Bitcoin. Now, we had this huge green candle to the upside. The Bitcoin 4-hour chart here. We've seen this is a giant bear flag, right? So the price action, you have to assume, continues in the pattern until it doesn't. Well, obviously the Fed came out with this news and you saw a big pump. So the question is, should you buy right now? Number one, I want to see a daily candle close. I want to see where the daily candle closes. I want to see this support level here at 22,000 hold. I want to see a bullish retest off of this level. I want to see a bounce here, right? If you're looking for much higher prices out of Bitcoin, this has to happen. I want you to look at this. This is a Bitcoin 2-hour chart from June the 15th. This is the last time that the Fed raised the rates 75 basis points, which is high. I mean, it's extremely high. It hasn't been done in decades, right? They've just done it twice in a row. So the most important thing to understand is here you saw this epic green candle and then pullback to the lows. Things are different now. Basically, the way Powell gave the speech, said that the economy is doing a lot better than people think and not going to be a recession, and was really optimistic about it. But again, is he trying to pull the covers over our eyes so we don't see what's going on? Now, we're going to trade the charts and we'll win long term based on this idea. We're going to follow up with this towards the end of the video with some stock market charts and some Bitcoin ideas. But the most important part is you had this huge pump last time and then it rolled over. So pay attention to this idea. Bitcoin has to bounce and hold this support level to avoid much lower prices. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person turned $1,000 into $101,000. He's an admin in my group. He made some dumb choices and ended up at about $79,000. He was trading the euphoria. You know, a lot of times when you make a ton of money in this market, you just start getting overconfident and this market will take your money. But he 100x'd his money. He never traded before. He joined the group. He's an admin now. This person made $4,000 trading Matic. Matic's had some significant upside. This person, thanks a million for your great setups and your advice. I've turned $10,000 into $60,000. This person, never in my life did I think a doctor would message me and say, I retired because of you. This gynecologist had $87,000. He turned it into $800,000. After 40 years as a gynecologist, now he's deciding to retire. He's quitting his job. This life, it's not about working for the man. It's not about going to work, clocking in 9 to 5, sipping coffee on the way to work. It's not. The wealth that we create provides freedom and opportunity to do what we want in this lifetime. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Got to take advantage of this opportunity. Banger Central every single day, 103%, 76%, 27, 21, 19. Daily bangers posted in the group. Total USDT. So this is the total market cap of all of crypto. And you had this drive to the downside. The news came out and pumped this price. Now, you don't want to see, I mean, potentially this is still in this falling wedge. It's just kind of hard to tell. Again, daily candle close is going to tell us a lot. You got your 200 simple moving average coming in here. I mean, you want to see the bulls hold this, but I want to see a little bit further confirmation on this move to the upside. This is news hype. The market's priced in 75 basis points, and it's not a good situation, right? But because the market priced this in already, you saw the market was concerned you'd get a 100 basis point rate hike or a 1% rate hike, and it was only 75 basis points. So this was considered positive news, and people bought it. But again, back here, this happened, and Bitcoin rolled over. So just pay attention to the market closely. Ethereum, USDT. So we made 33% on this short, and then Ethereum had an epic bounce and broke back into the pattern. The news that moves the markets. It's hard to trade because it's a coin flip. And so as we move forward, we have to take this into consideration that news is going to give us some volatility. That's great for trading, but it's hard to trade. And so the key here is this pattern. And this is a stock market. This is S&P mini futures. You've been in this downtrend for an extended period of time. Right now, you've got volume confirmation and a breakout with volume, but I want to see a bullish retest. That'll give further confirmation. So you want to see this level held. I mean, this is a rising wedge. This is the big falling wedge. This broke out of this pattern. Now for further confirmation, you want to see a bounce down at this level and upside continuation. If this thing breaks out and bullishly retests, you're looking for much higher prices out of stocks and Bitcoin. Okay, this is not, let me predict this market. This is, I will react to the signals that the market gives me, and I will load up or I will short altcoins. One of the altcoins I want to talk to you about is BNB. So BNB is the Binance exchange coin. BNB is right at its all-time high versus Bitcoin. Now listen, I want you to understand this. So this is BNB BTC. So an easy way to understand this idea is the performance of BNB compared to the performance of Bitcoin yields this chart. So right here in this green box, BNB is outperforming Bitcoin considerably. Same thing here. BNB outperforming Bitcoin considerably. Same thing here. Understand that this is and you say it out loud to yourself, when you see BNB BTC, price of BNB is outperforming the price of Bitcoin when this is trending higher. Now, this is at all-time high, right at all-time high. If it breaks this level, continues to outperform Bitcoin. Obviously, you want Bitcoin to move sideways or be bullish, continued upside. But BNB is going to be a strong coin long-term. You have to nail the timing on this coin. BNB has a use case. They've obviously expanded their blockchain many times over. So very important to understand how these trading pairs work. And BNB has seen an insane uptick in price compared to Bitcoin. So a breakout of this level would give you much higher prices. Comparison of BNB versus Bitcoin. Understand how these ideas work, these charts work, you will change your life forever. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.